That man is playing Galaga. Thought we wouldn't notice, but we did. Yo, what's going on, YouTube, VVOGs, and my Omi homies? It's your bromy, the gal, back at it again with a cryptocurrency video. So, today I was scrolling through the Twitters and I noticed that the Mario Karters had made an Ethereum domain name. So, I decided to put on my Tony Stark cap on and, spend 30 minutes to research how to get one of my own. And that's what I did. So in this video, I'm going to briefly cover what a domain name is, and I'm going to show you guys how to get one for yourselves. Because as you know, Ecomi is migrating to Immutable X, and we are going to be on the open seas soon enough. So I think we should prepare ahead of time to send and receive NFTs, via Ethereum and stuff. We need to prepare ourselves. So this is going to be episode 2 of Journey to the Open Seas. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to learn a little bit about domain names. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we find ourselves on ENS.domains, the website. So what is a domain name? It's basically one name for all of your addresses. No more copying and pasting long addresses. Use your ENS name to store all of your addresses and receive any cryptocurrency, token, or NFT. So basically, you know how the Ethereum address is like 0x and has a whole bunch of numbers? Well, instead of that, you're going to get like a simple name, .eth. We'll go into that further in a minute. So ENS is the most widely integrated blockchain naming standard. There are over 250,000 names currently, and there's a lot of owners. So there's a lot of bonuses with having an ENS. You can create your own decentralized website. What else you got? You can record texts and stuff on there. They're NFT compliant and stuff. And then you can use them with a lot of websites as well, like Coinbase and the Trust Wallet and Brave browser. Like it's got a lot of dApps that you can use it with, MetaMask. And then here's a bunch of apps. You can use it with Uniswap and one inch exchange and stuff like that. Like there's tons of things you can use these with. So it's very universal. Let me keep scrolling real quick. And then there's browsers you can use it with, such as the Brave browser, the MetaMask extension, Unstoppable Domains. So, yeah, let's just get into how to get one. So, beginning on the home page, we are going to want to launch the app. So we click Launch App. And then it's going to take us to the search bar. This time we're going to be adding the Gale. So my name is going to be thegale.eth. So we click OK, and you can see the green bar there, so you know it's available. That's how you know. So now we are going to connect our MetaMask wallet. You're going to need a Web3 wallet, such as MetaMask, to sign in to this website. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet, I probably should have made a video on that, but there's tons of videos on the internet how you can simply make a MetaMask wallet, and then you're gonna want to add some Ethereum to it. So we connect our MetaMask so we can log into the website. So we are officially logged in. So now we're going to go back to the browser, and we're going to click on the name, thegale.eth, so that we can purchase it. So, as you see here, you can purchase it for like a year or 2 years or 3 years, and however, the longer the year, the more it's going to cost. So this time I think we're just going to do 1 year, and for these you have to renew it every year, or you could pay in advance. But so for now, it's only going to cost me $5 for 1 year. So now we're going to request to register it. And once again, we have to log back into my MetaMask wallet. Okay, so now we got the pop-up where we are going to need to confirm our transaction. So we are going to confirm it. And it's confirming at the bottom there. And we are good to go. So now we head back to the browser where we wait for the green bar to fill up so we can move on to step 3 and complete our registration. So I fast forwarded it. It took a little while. So then we're gonna click register once the button appears, and we're gonna get another confirmation screen because it's gonna take another confirmation. And the fees are a little high because Ethereum is, Ethereum right now. So yeah, we're gonna confirm that, and we go back to the browser, and the transaction is pending. So we just need to wait a few seconds for it to finish, and there we are. So now the Gale.eth is officially registered to me. So we move on to the next step. So the first thing to do is to set a reverse record. What that does basically, instead of showing the long address right there, it's going to show the Gale.eth. So that is the purpose of doing this. So we're going to click on that and save it. So that all we see is the Gale.eth going forward. Okay, so that transaction is complete as well. So we go back to the browser, and then we're going to look at the details. So as you can see, it is already registered to me. So we go back to the details, and you will see the registrant, which is my Ethereum address for my MetaMask wallet. You'll notice the 0x837B right there. And as we go to my MetaMask wallet, you'll notice that it is the same address. If you click on the account, the QR code will pop up. So it's 0x837B, same as the Gale.eth registrant. So the next thing to do is to set up a resolver. And basically what that is it's a smart contract that it forwards all the crypto that you get to the Gale.eth, and it sends it to the Ethereum address. So that's going to take a small fee to create that transaction to complete. So we're just going to do that, and it is good to go. Transaction is sent. So now all the crypto that I get will be sent, or all the Ethereum that I get will be sent to this address, which links to my MetaMask wallet. So now I don't have to remember that long code right there. All I have to do is give them the Gale.eth, and any Ethereum that they send to the Gale.eth is going to my MetaMask. So I can also set up other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, Zilliqa, XRP, you name it. So yeah, let me see. The transaction is still pending right there. Okay, it's good to go. So as I was saying, let's scroll back up here. So you can add a record, and you can add different addresses. So you click add a record and then addresses, and then you see the coins. I'm just going to quickly scroll through all of the coins that you can attach to your domain name. That's a decent amount of coins right there. And yeah, that is the point of doing this, so that you can send all your coins to one address instead of having to remember all of those long codes, or copying and pasting them all the time. And then, like I said before, you can also you can also save emails and texts and stuff like that, but that's beyond this video. So we're just focusing on the crypto. So you can also add subdomains to your domain name. We're not going to get into that either, but yeah. So back to my my MetaMask wallet. Domain names are NFTs themselves. So as you can see, I have the Gale.crypto and the Gale.eth, and any NFTs that you send to that Ethereum address will be that you can see them here. So that is another reason for doing this. So we are on OpenSea right now, OpenSea.io. We're not going to explore the whole website in this video, but I wanted to show you that domain names is a category by itself on here where people buy and sell and trade domain names. Let me read this to you real quick. It says, explore domain names. Blockchain domains have two key use cases: turning hexadecimal wallet addresses into human-readable names and enabling censorship-resistant websites. As a result, trading crypto domains is big business for speculators, NFT traders, and metaverse natives alike. If the sale of sex.crypto for 230 ETH, 90K US dollars, on OpenSea is anything to go by, the market could explode as adoption increases over the coming months and years. Buy and sell domain names from Ethereum name service, Unstoppable Domains, and Decentraland names on OpenSea. So they have Unstoppable Domains, Ethereum name service, ENS, Crypto Voxels names, and Decentraland names. So we are going to look at Ethereum name service today. And yeah, a lot of these names go for or are selling for high prices. So if you could think of a creative name, then that might be profitable in the future, since many people don't know what domain names are right now. So you got like fangs.eth, visually.eth. You never know what somebody's going to want in the future. I think like amazon.eth sold for like 50 Ethereum or something like that. And you know that Ethereum is like $2,000 in Ethereum. So, so yeah, I mean, it might be profitable to like just create a few Ethereum or like a few domain names that you think might be popular in the future. That's what people have been doing, and just listing them and seeing if anybody bites on them. So just to show you that domain names are NFTs themselves. They can be transferred to other people, bought, sold, etc., etc. So yeah, so that's the video, my friends. If you've made it this far, the gal thanks you. If you learned something, if you never heard of domain names before, leave a like. If you're planning on buying one after this video, leave a like. Yeah, and let me know in the comments if you're planning on buying one, or if you already know what they are, if you already have one, what is it? And yeah, this video was meant to like just introduce you to the idea of domain names if you've never heard of it. Please feel free to like check out other videos for like second opinions or whatever if I didn't explain it well enough, or if it was a little confusing. I had to watch like 2 or 3 videos myself just so I can like get an understanding, hearing it from different people. But I think it's worth having, because like I said, you can just give out that address to people, and tell them what crypto to send to it, and it'll automatically go to whatever wallet address you attach to it. So it's very convenient. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole reason for me getting one. I just want to be able to give people the Gale.eth, and they can send crypto to it, and I can get it. Simple as that. So I am not a financial advisor. I am learning on the go, as most of you are as well. I'm just giving my opinions and sharing my knowledge, my 4 years of crypto knowledge with you guys. So once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, hopefully. Peace out and hodl, my friends. Later.